What's up, y'all? Shadow Fleks in the building. We got Beat Critique Friday number 9. I can't believe we already made it this far now. If you guys haven't gotten your free sound in the description, go check it out. And if you get your free sound, put the thumbs up on the video so I know you got your sound. And then go ahead and tell me in the comments how much you do or don't like it. So that way either I know I'm on track or maybe I gotta fix something. Let me know what's up. We got 3 producers today. I salute each and every single one of you guys who are using Caustic 3 because we are all together in this movement of showing people that you don't need tens of thousands of dollars in equipment to make amazing music. All you need is a decent phone, that good Caustic 3 software, and this right here. Alright, the first producer is Ray. I like it so far. Hey. Bro, this is fire. Hold up, let's go up here. Okay. I really like what you did with all this. I see the one sample, but it looks like a reverse sample, which is something that I do. Let's just hear that from the start again, because that drop was hard. I give you a 10 out of 10. You win all the way with this one. I give it to you. You need to hit me up with some more music. I'm definitely going to get in touch with you in the emails. Hopefully by the time you see this, we've already talked. Let's go on to the next one. Next up, we have Too Dope by Mustang. Another Caustic 3 soldier. Let's see what you shooting with. I like that piano. That flute is really mean. I'm liking that flute a lot. I'm loving it, bro. You get a, I say you get a, bro, you get a 10 out of 10. I don't see no samples. I don't see no issues. Your mixing is on point. I like everything that you're doing with this. Impressive. Everything is impressive. I'm loving it. Alright, we got the last soldier up. I don't really like the violin.
Younger generations are now coming of age, witnessing brutality on
I like the
streets.
tone of the violin, but I'm not liking
And
the
people are
violin,
actually
the way
sick.
it's mixed.
These things are
But hey,
symptoms of
it
a
can
system
come out
that
real
is
hard.
breaking.
I'm about to,
We're at a crisis
let's hear
point.
it. Bro, you taking too long to start your song. Okay, it's not a bad song, but you should have started your song like right here to be absolutely latest. You like, what's going on, man? And then when you finally drop your beat, it was like 10 seconds long. Plus, when I played it, you know, that's why I said it's not a bad beat, but your stuff is all over the place. You must still be learning, and that's okay. Keep practicing, because I remember bringing my beats. It was one of the first times that I had run-ins with somebody at a radio station, and I ended up showing them some of my beats, and he listened to them, and it was in like my first 4 months of making beats, and at that time he was honest. He was like, it is good, but you sound like you're all over the place, and he was right. I was all over the place, and I was still kind of learning my style. I had a lot of practicing to go to, but me personally, the reason why I'm so good now, I stopped watching TV, I stopped playing video games, I stopped hanging out with friends. I just sit inside, and if I'm not making money, I was making music. If I wasn't producing music, I was writing raps. If I wasn't doing none of that, I was taking care of my kids or sleeping. That's it. So all I gotta say is, if you put the work in, your music will show. This ain't bad. I've heard a lot of people at their beginning, and let me tell you, I've heard my fair share of way worse, to where it didn't even sound like it could be a song. Like, you at least have melody. You at least are, you have some, drums in there that it does make sense to the ear. It's just all over the place. So just keep practicing, find your style, you'll get in there. If you want to enter into Beat Critique Friday and you want to be seen on this show, go ahead and send your beats as a .caustic project file. And if you don't know how to send that, go ahead and check it out up here. It should be popping up right now. It's a link to the video that shows you how to send project files across the internet. If you guys haven't seen my other Beat Critique Fridays, it's right up here in this playlist. If you haven't seen my last tutorial that dropped, my Kicks and 808s 2021 version, go ahead and check that out right down here. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.